If you require further instructions after this presentation, our DIY appliance repair forum may have the answer you're looking for. Start by removing the top of the dryer. There are 2 screws on the back. Once removed, the top will slide back and off. Remove the screws that anchor the control panel to the frame. The 4 screws that hold the front to the cabinet will need to be removed. The 2 screws in the lint filter housing will need to be removed as well.
For more video demonstrations, as well as step-by-step tutorials, please go to appliancerepairlesson.com.